Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. So today, I forgot to introduce myself again. My name is Abby. Hi, how you doing? So in today's video, I will be featuring these two Revolution mascaras. One is called the Wispy Lash. It's the pink one, and this is the Big Lash XL Volume Mascara. So they look like they have a similar shape. Let's look at the wand. This is the wand for the Wispy, and this is the wand for the Big Lash. So right off the bat, the Big Lash seems a little bit bigger. It has, does it actually have less? There's a slightly different shape. So the Wispy Lash has a domed top, like a conical top, and the Big Lash has a slightly rounded top, but they seem to have a similar amount of bristles on the brushes. The Wispy has slightly downward pointing bristles to it, which you probably can't see straight up, but just looking at them close up, the bristles on the Wispy are a little bit more downward. Don't know if that makes a difference. So which side should I, let's switch sides. So stay in this side and this side. And then I also want to test out the Renaissance Flick eyeliner. I've always wanted to do this. I don't know why I didn't buy when it initially launched. It's not new anymore, but it's still, you know, it's new to me, so that's what matters. So this is the Renaissance Flick Intensely Longwear Black Felt Eyeliner. My favorite eyeliner is actually only £1. It's from Poundland, and it's lasted me through many wars, many decades. So that is probably the contender, and I like it because it applies well. It's black as black can be. It has a thin brush applicator, not brush, thin like hair applicator that never fails. I use it day in, day out. Back in the day when I used to do eyeliner, I haven't worn eyeliner in such a long time. I don't even know if I can still do it, but we shall see. So yeah, I'll be trying out these 3 things in this video. If that sounds like what you want to see, that sounds like it's right up your street, please do give this video a like, and let's get into it. So I'm going to apply 2 coats of each. Let's see what the first coat applies like. So going in with the Wispy Lash first on my, what is this, my right eye. I feel like I need, let me zoom in a bit. So this is Morpheus. I'm going to go in with the Wispy. Oh, it's definitely doing something. It feels like you can hear a small earthquake going on in the background. My washing machine is on. Well, that did something. Look at that, and look at this. Interesting. So I'm gonna try and do my lower lash line. This is gonna be the problem with a big head like this, because I feel like it's just gonna go all over. But I'll try and be careful. Oh, ow, 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 in my eye. Ouch. I really shouldn't talk while I'm trying to do this. The application could definitely go a lot smoother. But it's definitely, oh my gosh, it's all over my eyelid. You probably can't see it, but I can. But yeah, this is the first coat. Got one eyelash that's just pointing in the opposite direction. That's the first coat. Now onto the big lash. I feel like I had got a little bit more impact with the Wispy than the Big Lash XL volume. And let's go in with the lower lash line. Ow. Ugh. Okay. So you can see it's definitely getting, oh my gosh, it's everywhere. I'm just cleaning it with a wet cotton bud. Okay, so this is what one coat looks like. I'm gonna go with the second coat of the Wispies. It's definitely made my lashes stand out a bit more, but it's also made them clump up. Let's try the XL. Okay, so that's as far as I'm willing to go. Both of them do a good job. I feel like this actually fans out my lashes more because, again, it doesn't make them clump together, but this gives them more of an impact because it clumps them together. So it depends on what you want. I'm not the biggest fan of like clumpy looking lashes. I really want to separate these. Ugh. Yeah, can you see? I don't know, what do you think? What do you think? This does what this is supposed to do, and this does something else different from what it's supposed to do. So yeah, I think I might want to reach for this more, but I'll definitely still use this. I just need to be careful with both of them. I think that's probably the thing with these type of mascaras, with the big ones. You need to be really slow. You cannot apply these in a rush, otherwise you end up with panda eyes. But I like what they apply like. I mean, I do like them. I've opened them now, so I'm gonna have to use them, and let's just hope they don't crumble on me. Yeah, let's see how long they last. If they do last a long time, I'll leave a note at the end of the video just so you know how long they last. I don't think I'll have time to do like a wear test and come back and show you, but let's see. If I do, I'll do it. So next we're gonna try the Renaissance Flicks. So this Renaissance Flick, actually I don't know if these, actually are both of these mascaras waterproof? I will check and add it to the screen just so you know. Again, the sun is coming out so you can't even see me anymore. Oh yeah, okay, right, so let's zoom in again. So tilt the camera up so you can see. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty small in comparison to the mascara. Okay, so let's see if I remember how to apply this. I just need to clean up that end bit. Let me apply the second eye and then I'll come back. Okay, so both eyes are on and I like the way this eyeliner applied. The only thing is just, I guess, how well you know how to handle eyeliner. Yeah, that's probably the only thing. I like the skinny nib to it. It's really, really thin. So I feel like that will definitely help if you're a novice. And again, maybe starting on the way out and then work your way in and meet in the middle. That's kind of like a trick that always works for me whenever I'm trying to apply eyeliner. And if you do make a mistake, get a little cotton bud, some micellar water, like really sharpen the tip of the cotton bud when you're squeezing the excess micellar water out, and then use that to clean up the ends, and that will give you a nice sharp point. And that's what I've just done to clean up. So yeah, I really like this. With the mascaras, I think this will probably be the one I reach for more than this, but I like the fact that this gave me instant volume, so maybe I'll go in with the base of this first, then top it up with this, just to stop my eyelashes clumping together. But I like how my lashes look. It's just a lot harder to use on the bottom, so I don't know if I'll keep using them on the bottom. Who knows? But I like them. I like them. These are really good, and they're super black as well. And of course they're Revolution, so they're going to be extra affordable. I'm pretty sure everything here is like £5 or less. This might be more. I can't remember how much this is. It's been so long since I bought it. But I like the packaging, and I like the fact that it goes, you know, goes in and out. It's really slick. I like the way it applies, and I think this will be, oh actually, do you know, this will stop the liquid drying because it's got a little ball on the inside. Yeah, I like the way it's been made. This will be one that I'll definitely reuse again. We'll see about these, but I'll definitely have to use them. I've opened them now, but I don't tend to go for big ones in my mascaras. I like conical shaped ones like this. Essentially, this is what I like in my mascara wand because it's easier to go in the corners. But anywho, enough rambling. Thanks for watching this video. If you do like it, please do hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more from me, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I next upload. Until next time, stay blessed, have a great morning, afternoon, evening or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.